How to crop videos on CapCut. First, open CapCut on your device. Tap on the plus button to add videos from the video library you have here. Tap on add button. Now here is the video I want to crop that you see here. So tap on this button to highlight it. Once you highlight it, then move like this. Once you see this crop option, tap on it. Once tap on the crop option, we have a lot of options that comes up here. You can see you have 9:16, 16:9, 1:1. This has to do with whatever video you want to produce. So let me tap on this one that says 9:16. Now I would put my hand and expand. You can see you can put your hand and expand, and if this video is for 16:9, tap on it, then you put your finger to zoom out or zoom in on this. So this has to do with you. Now you can see a lot of options that you can select here. Then if you want to use a custom setting, tap on this custom, then you'll be able to drag and enter the specific one that suits you. So that is the process, guys, on how to crop a video on CapCut on your device. If you get this tip, you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.